Some Chick-fil-A before I go to work. Thank you. Alright guys, just got to work. So I'll catch you guys later on. Got something that should be getting delivered today. Super excited for that. See you guys later on. We just got off work. Let's go back home and install a part. What's going on, guys? Welcome back in the garage. Here in my garage. So I'm going to be installing Rally Armor mud flaps. Let's get this thing open. Hardware. Put this aside. Yes, I look like Patrick. It's the Krusty Krab. No, this is Patrick. Alright, so I set them from front to rear as instructed on the paper. Let's get it started. Dirty wheel. First, you gotta take off these little clips. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna go ahead and pull back the liner. Okay. One down, 3 to go. More to go. Car's pretty filthy. Took a lot longer than I thought. Some dirty hands. Sheesh. Alright, that is it for the video, guys. Like I said, it took a lot longer than I thought. Finally did it. A little sweaty, some dirty hands. Catch you guys in the next one.